All the English you need at the airport, from arrival to boarding. Speak like a traveller, entering the airport and asking directions. Where is the check-in counter for airline name? Is this the international terminal? Which way is the departure hall? Excuse me, where can I find a luggage trolley? Where can I check the flight information? The check-in counter. Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London. Here is my passport and ticket. Can I have a window seat, please? Is the flight on time? How many bags can I check in? I have one carry-on and one checked bag. Do I need to pay for extra luggage? 3 at passport control immigration. Hello, here is my passport. I'm traveling for tourism business. I will be staying for 2 weeks. I have a return ticket. Do you need my hotel reservation? Security check. Do I need to take off my shoes? Should I remove my laptop from the bag? Can I keep my watch on? Is this okay to carry? Sorry, I didn't know that was restricted. Inside the departure area. Where is gate 25? How much time do I have before boarding? Is there a restroom nearby? Can I get something to eat around here? What time does boarding start? Flight delay or gate change? Why is the flight delayed? How long is the delay? Has the gate changed? Where can I get updated information before boarding? Is this the line for flight 874? Can I board early? Can I take this bag on the plane? Where should I wait? Is the boarding group number on the ticket? Bonus common announcements for listening practice. Flight 874 to London is now boarding at gate 22. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready. Final call for passengers of flight 312 to Paris. Passengers seated in Group A may now board.